What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Burre and I'm back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing, man. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with your boy. Now, if you have been staying tapped in with me, you would know I just did a video on these Air Force One King Griffey Jr., King Griffey Seniors. These are fire. These are fire. I feel like a lot of people are sleeping on these because, I don't know. I don't know. Anytime I see a shoe that is embroidered on the heels, it speaks to me, right? Anytime a shoe gets a custom hang tag, this one has a swingman on one side, then it has a 24 on the other side. It talks to me. And anytime you have a mini swoosh on a shoe, doesn't matter if it's an Air Max 1, doesn't matter if it's an Air Force One, an Air Max 90, to me it's hot fire. So I had to cop. With that being said, anybody that knows about this drop knows that they drop more than just the Air Force One. And that's gonna get us into this box right here. So, like I said, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with me, man. These might be in a shoe near you. So if people are sleeping, go ahead and get your cop. If you mess with the kid, King Griffey Jr., that 2-4, there's something legendary about the number 2-4, especially in the city of Seattle. You got Marshawn Lynch, you got King Griffey Jr., and that's all you really need, to be honest. That's all you really need. When I seen this shoe, I was kind of on the fence. I'm not gonna lie to you, because I had already bought that shoe, and I just didn't want to overdo it and just be buying shoes to be buying shoes. But then I thought about it, and I was like, I don't know if they'll ever drop a shoe like this again. So let me just get my hands on it and make it a set. You know what I mean? Make it a set. So that classic Nike box. Tag reads Air Max 90 SE, white, smoke gray, and fresh water. Now, real quick, I'm not going to keep showing this shoe, but real quick, this shoe, the colorway of this shoe with the blue and the gold, it's like the traditional old school Mariners colorway, right? That's why I copped this shoe. Now, with this shoe, let me show you the tag, size 10, personal pair. It's more or less of the colorway that the Mariners use on a regular basis. So, I've never seen this shoe in hand. I've only seen pictures. Let's get into it. Oh, these are fire. These are fire too, man. All right, here we go. Here we go. Bow! That's your Air Max 90, man. Your King Griffey Jr. Air Max 90. Let's do a quick look around. You got the red Nike Air on the back. You got this nice, and it's not like crazy soft leather, but it's a good leather that's going around the mud guard. Or excuse me, the mud guard and around the heel. It's a nice black, smooth, kind of tumbled looking type of leather, right? Then you got a nubuck in gray. And then you got a gray leather that's kind of like the same leather that's going around the heel. You got that turquoise surrounding the air pocket, and the air pocket's in red down there, as you can see. Got your Air Max in white and black. And then on the bottom, you got your teal, you got your black, and then you got your red on the toe. I have told you guys, I like mini swooshes. On the Air Max 90, you got a mini swoosh. It's not as mini as the Air Force One, but it's mini enough for me to like it, right? Another hang tag. the Swingman, the 2-4. Now, the difference between this and why I like this is the tongue. Look at the tongue. You got the backwards cap over the 2-4. This is a dope shoe. This is really a dope shoe. And on the inside, you got that same backwards cap over the 2-4. Like, I just think the little special things like that is what makes the shoe dope. On the other shoe, it said junior and senior on the inside with a Nike swoosh. This one is about junior, right? So, like I said, it's the other colorway that the Mariners were like, I might wear this shoe. The Air Force One, I don't know if I'll wear that shoe. I like that one a lot more, but I like this one a lot more because it's more wearable, in my opinion, right? You got the stitching that resembles the same basketball, kind of like how it came up on the heel of the Air Force One. This one's along the sides. Let me close in on that. So it resembles the stitching of a baseball. I think it's cool, man. I like the red hits over the navy. Let me pull out the other shoe. Let's see if there's any differences in this other shoe. Bow. Now, yeah, man, I would say both shoes are pretty much identical, right? We'll just go around it just in case we're missing anything. Tongue with the cap, I think that is so fire. The backwards cap, man, that was a staple. Like, nobody was, you know how like Allen Iverson had the braids and then everybody started getting braids. Griffey started wearing that hat backwards and the whole league started wearing their hat backwards, but nobody could do it like the kid. Nobody could do it like the kid. So you got Nike Air in the back. You got that teal with the red. You got the stitching. You got the gray. And then you got the nubuck right here. Which leads me to say that on this shoe, I wasn't sure if this was nubuck or suede, but now I know the difference. This is suede. This is a short-haired suede. It's really nice. It's really soft. Besides that, I'm going around the shoe. The shoe's fire, man. Like I said, anything with the hang tag, a mini swoosh, you know, the custom on the tongue. This is like a dope themed sneaker. And I'll be honest with you, if I wore this to a Mariners game and spilled something on the shoe, I'd be pretty pissed off, right? It's a predominantly white shoe. So you got to be really careful with shoes like this, because either that or get that, that protector. I think Rejuvenator or Crep, one of them guys, they have a shoe protector that basically you can spill ketchup on your shoe and you'd be fine, right? Only flaw I really see is right here on the toe. You can see where the stitching from this area, boom, it's poking out right there. I could probably like cut that or get a razor blade and cut it really thin so you don't really see it. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty much the same on the tongue. You got the same laces as you have on the Air Forces. If you look at the aglet or the lace tips, looks pretty cool, huh? Yeah, man, this was the second shoe. I had to hurry up and get this video out the way. Like I said in the first video, the unexpected happened. My daughter came 2 weeks early, so I haven't been able to drop heat like I wanted to. I had 2 pairs of shoes sitting here. I got stuff from Richie Lee that hasn't shipped to me yet. I got some Funko Pops that are being shipped. I got a lot of stuff that's going to be coming, so I'm going to be dropping videos. I'm going to keep dropping videos, and I'm going to keep dropping videos. But you guys got to do me the favor. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell, because I need you guys to stay tapped in with your boy. You know what I mean? I need you guys to stay tapped in with your boy. Honestly, I can't get to 1,000 subscribers myself. All I can keep doing is dropping videos, right? So I need you guys, my people, my support team, you know what I'm saying, the crew, to have my back. If you could, or if you would, share this video and say, hey, support my boy. You know what I mean? I'd appreciate that deeply. Other than that, man, This is the second video, man. Two in a day. So if you see my first video and I'm wearing the same exact video, I just shot it. You know what I mean? But I gotta space it out. So I'll drop the Air Force One video today, and then I'll drop this video tomorrow. Which, me explaining that really makes no sense because it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. But anyways, it's your boy Burre Collins, man. I appreciate you guys. I got nothing but love for you guys. I've already tapped in. I got my Griffey Air Max 90s. I'm super pumped about this, man. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.